Hello, welcome to Academic AI. Are you looking to guide students through meaningful reflection after a disciplinary incident? Well, in this video, we will introduce you to the AI Child Psychology Reader tool, a tool that helps you create reflection assignments based on restorative and reflective practices, which encourages students to process and learn from their experiences. Yes, to access the tool, you have to click on the AI tool named Child Psychology Reader. Once you click on it, you have to select the year level. So let's say that my student is in 9th grade, okay? Now here in the second one, I have to describe the strengths, the problem behaviors, and the function of behavior, etc., right? For example, the student is, so let me just list down three areas of strength. The student is active, participative, scores good. Okay, these are the three areas of strength. Now, the areas of improvement: the student is aggressive, not receptive to feedback, and is argumentative. All right. Now, I've listed some areas of improvement. Now, I'll simply click on generate, and within seconds, we will get a personalized reflection assignment for that particular student that will support growth and, most importantly, accountability. Yes, based on the strengths and the areas of improvement. And here we are. I hope you can see that it is clearly listed the student's profile. It has listed down the strengths, the areas of improvement, the problem behavior, functions of behavior, and then it has also given me the strategies like positive reinforcement, establishing clear expectation, conflict resolution skills, scheduling check-ins, collaborative problem solving, etc. Right? And of course, it has also listed the monitoring and reviewing part as well. Isn't it fantastic, right? So thanks for watching. Try the Child Psychology Reader today at Academia. It is one of my personal favorite tools because it helps me to come up with like various strategies to deal with, hundreds of students who we interact on a daily basis, right? And we often get stuck. There is, there is no shying away from that. But this tool can actually give you full-fledged, plan for each learner in your classroom. So try this tool at Academic AI and foster meaningful reflection in your classroom. Happy reflecting and happy learning.